What's going on, growth chasers? It's the Dividend Bloodhound back with another investing episode. Today's episode we're talking about a company that has hardly been away from the headlines at the moment, and that is Tattooed Chef. On the 26th of August it launched its online purchasing website, so you can now buy Tattooed Chef products direct from their website online, which is absolutely fantastic if you ask me. And we're going to have a look at the remarkable effect that this has had on the share price. If that sounds something that you would enjoy, do please stick around after the intro, and please, if this video brings you some value, do hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel as well. That would be absolutely fantastic. See you after the intro, catch you there. Hey again guys, welcome into the video. As already mentioned, we're going to talk about Tattooed Chef today. Its online launch of the product purchasing from its website, just like any other company out there to be fair, but this is with food, and they have lots and lots of exciting options for you to buy. You can take a look, you can get on their website right now and you can order this food directly to come to your door. A lot of Tattooed Chef investors have actually done this and have supported the company, not in just buying stock, we've actually helped them get off the ground and start buying their products in their first couple of days of online purchases being available since the 26th of October. Alas, at the moment I'm from the UK and I can't do that, but what I can do is tell you guys about the extraordinary opportunity that Tattooed Chef offers for a great return on your investment. So on the day of the launch, the actual price itself kind of flatlined and actually fell, and my position actually went negative for the first time ever since I'd purchased my shares quite a long time ago. However, since then, today the stock price has bounced 12%, which is absolutely extraordinary in one day, based on the good news and investor sentiment around the company. Which in terms of what's happened over the last couple of days in the market plummeted yesterday really, and just a little bit of fear edged into the market, and then today there's been some good news about some vaccines in the process, a couple of good news headlines, and then good news for Tattooed Chef personally has sort of recovered the market and bounced Tattooed Chef's share price as well. The results of the online website opening and having sales go through it at hopefully as an investor a ridiculous rate won't actually be felt until the next quarter in terms of actual revenue seen. That is unless Tattooed Chef themselves decide to do a press release and tell us investors and tell the world just how well they've done over the first week, month, or however long it has been since they opened their online sales. So I'll be watching, as will and many other investors, I'll be watching this closely to see if they actually do announce that. Other than that, we'll have to wait until the next quarter to see what the revenue report is, and then subsequent quarters after that. As already stated in my price target video, I genuinely believe that this share price can hit at least $30 before the end of the year and be well north of $50 before the end of the next, based on current revenue trajectories. Tattooed Chef CEO Sam Galletti actually recently went on record saying that she expects the share price to jump at least 50%, or could jump at least 50% between now and the end of the year, which even as a short-term investment would be a fantastic return on your money. Me personally, I'm in this for the long haul. I passionately believe that this is going to follow the route of Beyond Meat, and based on revenue comparisons between the two and the growth between the two, Tattooed Chef's revenue has been up 97%, Beyond Meat's has been at 54%. Now I get Tattooed Chef is still an up and coming company, and Beyond Meat is now starting to mature, so it's going to slow down a little bit, but still it is impressive for such a young company to still be enhancing its revenue as much as it is. Yet another good news story is that originally only 7% of Walmart stores actually stocked Tattooed Chef products. Now this is massively on the increase. There's 4,900 extra stores out there, Walmart stores, that will eventually stock Tattooed Chef's products, that is an enormous amount of products that they can sell just by getting it out there into all of Walmart stores. And then they've also recently penned a deal with Costco as well to supply them, and then you've got Costco stores all across the United States as well. And we already know that Target also stocks some of Tattooed Chef's products on its website, and they will be in store soon as well. So soon, hopefully, there won't be a Target, a Costco or a Walmart that you can go in the whole of the country that you can't find a Tattooed Chef product. And by that point, the revenue that this company could potentially be turning over will be absolutely insane. The medium to long-term goals of this company are to rapidly expand their product line, and they're getting their products out into the market and having their own online store in excess is basically a really good cut out the middleman way of doing that, which opens the door to even juicier margins, basically extra profit, because they're cutting out the middleman. The brand is developing in its own right, and this is something that can only be done over time. It won't happen instantaneously, but as the product gets out there, numerous products get out there and the brand develops, this will also allow for enhanced profit margins, as the company can charge just that little bit more because of the quality of product and the popularity of the product that it is supplying. So going round in a circle then, back to the original point of this video, which is the 10-12% stock price increase in a day. Now that is widely based on, at the moment, just consumer and investor sentiment, because it is a really good news story. They're out there, they've just recently de-SPAC'd, and now they're getting a product into the market. But at the moment we won't see the results of this, so the stock price increase is mainly just based on us investors backing the company and saying, yep, this is a really good thing that you are doing. However, over the longer term, as successive quarters go by and we get year-on-year results, I literally cannot explain to you enough just how much I expect this company's revenue to take off, and then the share price in terms of that as well. I know I keep mentioning Beyond Meat, but I passionately believe that Tattooed Chef has a very similar, if not better, branding than that, and also supplies better veg, just pure veg based products, rather than having a product that sort of pretends to be meat, so to speak. I'm extremely excited for this company's future. I honestly, as I've already said, I'm thinking triple figures in the long term for this company. I know that is a long way off, and especially at the share price now of just $20, but I genuinely think, just watching how quick Beyond Meat developed, this is something that could get investors going and get really excited about really quickly as well. If that happens and we get up into triple figures, then that's going to look fantastic back on buying in at $17 a share, which was my average share price. Will I sell at that point? Who knows? We'll have to fast forward to the future to find that one. I really don't think so. Again, extra revenue, extra share price increase. This company over the next 4 or 5 years, I think, is a hold and just ride the roller coaster up. I really do think it is that good. Obviously, please do your own research before just jumping in. I am just a guy on YouTube. I've done my due diligence on this company, which is why I personally am so excited about it. But that does not mean that you should just launch your money in without doing your own due diligence. Please do that as well. I really hope you've enjoyed this investing episode today, guys. Please do consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel as well for more Tattooed Chef based content. I will always keep up to date with Tattooed Chef and Highline, especially. Some of them are my favourite stocks, but also I do dividend investing as well and portfolio reviews as well, so it'd be fantastic to see you in another episode viewing that sort of content as well. That being said, I'm going to wrap things up there, and hopefully I'll see you in my next episode. Catch you later.